Hey guys, welcome back for a new video today. I'm gonna give you 5 steps in order to run well. You would like to run? You would like to be a runner? Alright, follow those 5 tips that I'm gonna give you right now. First, you have to have a nice pair of shoes. It doesn't have to be brand new, it has to be comfortable. Second, if you were in a group where you can be motivated, this is pretty good. Third, you have to be hydrated. All right? Stand there and see you. As a runner, there is almost nothing in the world that can take me to the places that running does. I find my thoughts and my peace. I find energy and motivation. I come up with my best ideas and solve my toughest problems. Running transforms me. Running makes runners happy. About 30 minutes of walking, running, or a combination of the two can lift your mood. This can also help combat depressions, especially when it is combined with medication. Running shoes are the most important tool you will have, so it is important to find the right ones. Without them, you will experience hip pain, knee pain, and other pain that comes with running in the wrong shoes. While you are getting started running, it is a good idea to think about the basics such as form and breathing. Starting out with good habits will help your success in the future. Running with proper form is a good thing to think about as a beginner. This way, you start out with good habits and decrease that chance of injury. When you start out running, run tall, look straight ahead, and open up your shoulders. Think about your core. It should be strong and stable while you are running. In this video, I will be putting some videos about how to strengthen your core. Begin with the warm-up, walk 5 minutes, and then begin to alternate 60 seconds of jogging, 90 seconds of walking. As you progress, you should begin to be able to jog longer. Keep the pace of what feels like for you. What you feel is the most important, where you feel more comfortable for you. You need to stretch. While it is not recommended to do static stretches, holding your stretch for a short period before a run. You should definitely include them after runs and off days. Lengthening your muscles can lead to longer strides and shorter. Start small, very important. This is compulsory. Many people make the mistake of starting too hard and they get burned out or injured or discouraged within a couple of weeks. The knees should be in line with the middle of your feet and the full foot should contact the ground with each step. Breathing, very important. It's very important for you in your form because it plays a key role in a successful run. Proper breathing can help you keep you comfortable, injury-free, and reduce the stress on your body. If you breathe properly, it will help you get enough oxygen to your muscles during your run. It is important also to breathe through your mouth. If you want to breathe through your nose as well, that is okay as long as you are breathing primarily through your mouth. If you can, get a partner. Very important as well. This is not really a wolf, but a suggestion. If you get a partner, you will be more motivated. If you can find a reliable partner, it makes it a bit easier for you. First, having someone to talk to while you walk and later run makes the thing, easier. It's extremely important. Good form can make your run easier, more efficient, and more effective, especially when it comes to edging toward your mileage goals. Running properly can also help save off injury. Another step, you have to strengthen your core. Very important, as I said earlier. I will have you some videos in order to help you. One of the most important aspects of great running is a strong core. Your abdominal and back muscles hold you upright and keep you moving throughout your run. Improve your core strength and running speed by doing some extra planks. Lift some weight. Running is a lot of work, and the stronger your legs are, the better. The faster they will go during your runs. You can do squats, deadlift, curl extension, etc. You'll get healthier. This is another thing. This is just one of the great benefits. There are other ways to get healthy, of course, including dozens of other types of exercise, but running is one of them, which is a great way to get healthy. If you stick to a moderate running program, it can also help you get slimmer, lose weight, and your heart will get stronger and your cholesterol will go down. Your diet is a big factor, of course, but more on that in the next benefit. You lower your stress levels. It beats smoking, drinking, vegging out in front of the television, almost anything else I can think of for getting rid of the stress of your life. Okay? The running community is very supportive. Check your area for groups, online groups, apps that can help you get started. Running coach can help you get started as well. A certified coach can help you succeed in running. So I would recommend you go to the park, walk for 30 minutes. It doesn't have to be running, but start little by little. You will love it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe. There is some video coming up right now in order to help you strengthen your core. In this way, you will run better, faster, and easier.